So in this video, I'll probably focus on cleaning up what we have done so far, because right now we have this mixed approach with using like all the params where in fact we just need those two. So what I want to do is instead of using directly points1, I want to use player1 points and player2 points, running tests all the time to make sure I'm not breaking stuff. Again, we are crossing the limits of 80 characters. I'm noticing it because it's often a sign that something is wrong. Here, points1, points2 can be replaced, and this is replaced, but only with player1 points. And everything now relies on just player1, player2. So I think I can remove this. Sorry, those 4. And yes, it's working, so I can now remove those things and go to the call and remove those things. Still running fine, which means I can now get rid of this. Oh, and now here, so this is the place where I missed one change, player1. Still not everything. Okay, now this is disappearing, this is disappearing. Good. So that was a nice simplification overall. We've got rid of all the params, the code. There are some problems in here. We will try to cover them. But overall it seems to be okay. Obviously there is always this dilemma: should I pass player object here or points object is actually the integer just. I try to answer this by always passing the minimal thing that I need. So maybe later this will appear to be wrong, but for now this is enough. So I'm just using points. Actually, points as an object would also make sense in the end, probably. So we should avoid what's they called primitives, so strings, integers, and so on. So probably those two things can be objects later on, but for now this should be enough. So thank you.